This is your demo video for baking cinnamon muffins. The equipment that you need is broken up by day 1 and day 2. Here are the day 1 instructions. This is going to be a 2-day lab. Step 1, you are going to sift together these ingredients. 1.5 cups of flour, making sure that you overfill your cup, and then use a butter knife to level it off. Put it into the sifter. 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And all of this is going to go into your sifter, and you are going to sift into your mixing bowl. The second part of this step is adding in the brown sugar. So you're going to pack the brown sugar into a 1/4 cup and stir it in. You can use a spatula or a spoon. And then step 2, you'll put it in a Ziploc, label it, and put it in the refrigerator. Day 2 is our baking day. So when you get into your kitchen after you wash your hands, go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You'll get your ingredients from the demo table and take them back to your station. Step 2, you're going to line your tin with cupcake liners. Step 3, combine these ingredients in the stand mixer bowl and mix well. So we have 1 egg. We're going to crack it in our custard bowl to check for shells. Lightly beat it. Then measure 1/2 cup of milk in a liquid measuring cup and 1/2 cup of oil. You'll notice that I use the same liquid measuring cup because all of these ingredients are going into the same bowl and I don't want to dirty extra dishes. We're going to put the bowl onto our stand mixer with the paddle attachment, and we're going to put it on one of the lowest 2 settings. So always start with the lowest setting, and then you can move it up 1. We're going to combine it until it is well mixed. So it should look like this. Step 4, you're going to add your dry mixture into that and stir until it is moistened. So it's not going to be a smooth batter. So not like pancakes or anything like that. It's gonna look a little chunky. That's what you want. Next, we're going to fill our cupcake liners about 2/3 of the way full. We're gonna use our cookie scoop. So I put 1 scoop in each cupcake, and then I go back with any extra batter and fill them in so that way they are evenly filled. Step 6, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top and clean the edges so there's no batter spilling over. Step 7, bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You can use the timer on your microwave or on your iPad, whichever. Just make sure that you use the timer and don't turn on the microwave. When they're done, they should look like this and be nice and moist on the inside.